Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Anyone in the mood for oatmeal and besan chickpea flour pancakes? I'm going to make some pancakes using 1 cup of oats that I will put in the blender to make flour, and then I have half a cup of chickpea flour, besan or garam flour, whatever it's called. And I will add onion, scallions, green pepper, cilantro, salt and pepper, some cumin, and we will make some yummy savory oatmeal besan pancakes. So let's get started. Putting the oats in the blender. Done. Oat looks like a flour. Okay, our oats are done. Let's add the chickpea or the besan flour. That's yellow color of chickpea flour. That's half a cup. And half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. That's about it with the spices. So to add to the besan oat mixture, besan oat flour, we will need half a cup of grated carrot, any color. This is purple carrot. And 2 tablespoons of scallions, 2 tablespoons of sliced chili pepper, green pepper, mild, and half a cup of sliced onions, and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Let's mix everything in the... So let's make the batter, mix everything up, and then we will add the water to make the batter. Okay. Salt, always put less, and then you can always add more if you need. For me, half a teaspoon was enough for one and a half cup of flours. All right, let me add some water to this. Lights are not good in my kitchen, so that's why sometimes you see things that look a little bit of weird color, but in real the colors are pretty good. Let me add some more water. We need a consistency of a pancake that will stay, because I'm not adding any egg to the mixture. I'll probably add a couple of more spoons of water. This looks pretty good now. So let's make some yummy savory pancakes with oatmeal and besan. And those scallions, I will slice them, thinly slice them later for garnish. Alright, already smells good. Yeah, the light coating of olive oil on the griddle, and let's make some pancakes. I think it's time to change the side. Flipped it. Looks nicely done from one side. I believe this one is done. It's nice and crispy from the top and the bottom, and it's still nice and soft from inside. I think it's cooked properly. Let's take it off. Let's put one more. There you go. Bismillah. Our pancake is done. You can garnish it with some green onions. You can also use a dollop of sour cream or plain yogurt. Just like that. Add a little bit of sesame seeds to it if you want. Some cumin if you like. There you go. My pancakes are ready. Let's see. See? Nice and yummy. So healthy. Okay, I gotta eat now. Bye bye. I'll see you soon with another idea. Bye bye. Oh my yum. It smells so good and tastes amazing.